Hey everyone!
Hello!
I'm Dorothy, this is Olus, and we're the OT Love Train. And guess what, guys? Today is our wedding anniversary.
Aww, happy anniversary.
Thank you. Which means I've been married for 1 year.
Yeah, 1 year.
I know, right? It's been so long. And these are wedding photos behind us here. Yeah, so normally we would have gone out to have like a nice dinner or like a whole day plan.
No, we're meant to travel.
That's a lie. Stop lying.
I had it all planned out for. It was meant to be a surprise.
That's a lie. That's a
coronavirus.
lie. But yeah, like due to coronavirus, we're just going to chill at home, you know, eat some good food, and we're going to bring you guys along with us.
Yeah.
So, celebrating OT Love Train's first year wedding anniversary. Yay! So we're having our first glass of wine for the day. Cheers. Yeah. So it's raining outside and
it's raining cats and dogs.
Raining cats and dogs.
Well, like we say here, it's raining rats and cockroaches.
Ain't nobody said that. Like, what are you talking about? Yeah, we're just chilling a bit, we'll soon get into the food, but you know, I need this so I can get fired up. Okay guys, Olus is in the corner there. He's doing some work because work from home things now. And yeah, so we're going to have, we're supposed to have this chicken Alfredo fettuccine meal, but we couldn't find the fettuccine pasta, so we ended up getting just spaghetti, which will work with it. So yeah, I want to prep the chicken and the shrimp and the protein that we're going to use in the food, let it so that it can marinate for a few hours before I now get to making the food itself. So yeah, that's where I'm headed. So yeah, this is the chicken, this is the shrimp. For the chicken, I'm going to wash it, cut it and season it so it can marinate for a few hours. The shrimp, I'm also going to rinse it and season it because I'm African. I have to season it. I have to add some pepper and some seasonings, you know. So yeah, that's all for now. Hello, darling.
What up? Wee.
Are you? Oh my god. So am I like the only one that gives their chicken a vinegar, or that not even chicken, like basically beef, fish, chicken, any protein that I'm putting in my food? I feel like I always have to give it like a vinegar rinse. I put just a little bit of white vinegar in some water, and then I boil it. Then I use it to rinse my protein before seasoning. I think it's a really good way to like disinfect and coat your protein. Okay, I think our food has arrived. Our first meal of the day has arrived. Let me see that. Wow, Buka Hut. Yay! Yeah. So our first meal of the day has arrived. Buka Hut from Auntie Bimbo.
Yep.
HR spending.
You know what you do? You know that food makes us happy. So
yeah, so we're going to have this first.
I'm going to keep on making the videos.
Hey, bastard. So while Olus is doing his work, I have seasoned the shrimp and the chicken. These are my seasonings that I use, and I'm just going to let these marinate in the fridge/freezer. And we're going to have our brunch now and come back to these for dinner. Yeah. Our first meal of the day: coconut rice, asun, and fish. Yeah, we're about to post on Instagram for anniversary. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this.
Share. Are you on the right page?
Yes, I'm on the right page.
Yes, gone.
Ah, look at that. Look at that. Yay, we're having champagne today. This is the champagne that we got on our engagement, right?
Yep.
And we kept it. We're like, we're going to
drink it on our 1 year anniversary. So we have to replace this though for our next year anniversary.
Aha, you have a
Dorothy
point.
can do us the honors.
Hey guys, so I think it's about Olus, what are you doing in that corner? It's about 5 p.m. and it's time for us to go and start cooking our dinner. So yeah, come along. Check this out, guys. Buy one, get one free. Anyways, guys, ready? So we're about to have a good time.
The youth love training.
Woo! Thank you guys for joining us on our wedding anniversary. We hope you guys had fun with us. We did. Yeah, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
See you soon.
As always, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And oh my god, keep looking here instead of here. This is the lens.
Ooh, me and
please, me and you actually.
Here right now.
Please, guys, we apologize because I know I looked there instead of here for the most of this video. But yeah, please subscribe and support us, like, comment, and share. See you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.